Su nombre es Isaiah Harris, un joven quien un día decidió practicar senderismo con su primo en las montañas de Casper, en Wyoming, Estados Unidos. El día había pasado y la medianoche llegó. En ese momento, nuestro amigo decidió sacar su celular y mientras él y su primo atravesaban un puente, comenzaron a escuchar extraños ruidos que parecían venir de debajo del puente. Isaiah sacó su teléfono y comenzó a grabar mientras su primo y él comenzaban a investigar. Lo que estás a punto de ver es absolutamente aterrador, así que te recomiendo que pongas atención.
Me and my cousin took a hike in the middle of the night.
That means that we're close.
And what we found was the most terrifying thing I've ever witnessed.
Dude.
Just wait.
Did you hear that? You didn't hear that? There's something under there. Bro. Dude, please don't go down there. Oh my gosh. Dude, hold on. Let me go first.
Isaiah había alcanzado a captar con su celular una pálida figura de un ser humanoide, el cual parecía estarlo acechándolo desde la oscuridad de aquel túnel del alcantarillado. Isaiah y su primo decidieron correr por sus vidas, y esto fue lo que él dijo al día siguiente de que se viralizó aquel metraje escalofriante.
Yeah, let me just tell you, I've never been more terrified in my entire life. I can't even look at this picture right now. Before you guys saying that it was like a friend or like somebody else down there, it may have been a homeless guy. I heard that theory. But I do not know what he would have been doing down there, butt naked, maybe taking a bath. But just the sounds and everything about it just did not sit right with me. I even ended up showing my sister, and she wants to go up there tonight and wants me to go with her. Should I? I guess like for part 3.
Tras haber recibido muchas peticiones por parte de sus seguidores, Isaiah y su primo decidieron volver a las montañas de Casper para pasar toda la noche acampando en aquel espeluznante bosque con el fin de volver a encontrarse con aquella criatura. Y lo que terminaron por encontrar en aquella oscuridad de la noche fue simplemente aterrador.
So we're doing it. We got the 4-wheeler in the back, tents, and a hammock that I brought. We're up here. So we're gonna spend the entire night to try to find whatever it was that we saw last night. We're up on the mountain where we did see it, kind of close by. There was a waterfall that's kind of more down the mountain, but we're gonna try and find it tonight. We're gonna be up all night. No sleep. All right, guys, we're here. We're about to unload the 4-wheeler, but have some fun. Kind of just camp out for a little bit. We got our site, and yeah. Forgot your axe? This is how we do it down here in the Wyoming. Oh yeah, look at that braid. I'm gonna catch you guys when it's dark so that we can actually film, you know, the necessary stuff for this series. But yeah, we're just gonna have some fun, chill out at the campsite right now, and yeah, I'll see you guys then. All right, guys, so got this fire going for a little while. It's about 10 o'clock, and as you can tell, it is dark out. Like the stars are out and everything right now. So we're about to head out, and we're gonna be looking for whatever's out there. Alright, so we're leaving camp now and we're about to go out, and this is literally, guys, like how dark it is here. It's insane. Guys, literally, it is so creepy in this forest right now. Guys, look at the moon. It's so bright. So what do you do when you're looking for a creature? Because it's literally so quiet here. I've heard some like growls and grunts and stuff, but nothing like what we heard that night. Okay, so we found a road, and now we're just trying to kind of just climb up this hill, see if we can get like a viewpoint, because there's a big old hill right here. Okay, that's actually kind of creepy. Look, hope he doesn't jump out to scare me. Brock, please don't scare me. Oh my goodness. So he's got this terrible lighting.
SKINWALKER.
Oh my goodness. But we're literally trying to land the force real quick. We're just walking back right now. And like legit, I think we're lost because I don't have any idea where we're at. Do you know where we are?
Dude, oh hell no. Spooky.
Okay, y'all, so we're back at camp. We didn't really get anything. We've been out here since like, what, we started looking at about 10, and it's already like 2:30. Sorry, guys. Maybe we can come back up here and film another one, but I don't know.
Nuestro amigo Isaías se percataría tiempo después, gracias a los comentarios de sus seguidores, que algo o alguien parecía haberse asomado entre los árboles, escondido entre la oscuridad. A raíz de esto, Isaías decidió publicar este metraje, donde puede observarse nuevamente a aquella criatura con ojos brillantes. Y hasta aquí ha llegado el video de hoy. Si te gustó, dale manita arriba, déjame un comentario y no olvides suscribirte a mi canal Sangre de Monstruo para más historias.